You think you know who you're going to marry? Come here. Come here. I don't want word to get around here. Who are you going to marry?
My friend, he's in my class. He used to be in my class. His name is Eric Webb.
Eric Webb? How old is Eric?
He's, I think he's 7 3/4.
Oh, he's older than you?
Yes.
Oh, it's always nice to know an older man. Why do you like him?
I don't know.
Well, what is there about him that makes him special?
Well, he's strong. And,
Is he polite? Oh, he's not polite, but he's strong, yes.
But when I'm in school with him, I go to his lunch table and I sit with him, and he's always playing with his friends, and he's always talking about fresh things, and he's always like, if he had some bread, he would stick his finger through it.
Oh, he sounds like a delightful person. Well, Eric, is that his name?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Well, I hope you and Eric are remain good friends for a long time. Is he still in your class?
No.
Do you see him at all?
Sometimes at lunch.
At lunch. You look forward to lunch, huh? To being able to see him. Well, I think Eric is very lucky to have a friend like you. And I hope you remain good friends, okay?
Mm-hmm. And he's very small, but he's very cute.
Okay. I think I like Eric, and I've never even met him. You're small, but you're cute, too.
I was going to bring him over, but my sister, she was so nutty. She lost 2 tickets, and I had to let her borrow one of mine, so I couldn't invite her.
Oh, that's dreadful. I would have enjoyed meeting Eric. Would you come back someday and bring Eric with you?
Yeah.
I hope so. We'll make arrangements for that, okay? I certainly would like to meet Eric. Matter of fact, would you like to take a present home to him?
All right.
Do you think he'd like a Hebrew National snack pack?
He's not Hebrew.